Hello! In this video, we're going to compare the cost needed for different power stations. This comparison will be based on the capital costs and the overall costs, where the capital cost includes the cost of the plant, the land acquisition, grid connection, and initial financing costs. However, the overall cost of a new energy facility involves the capital costs to build it, the running costs for fuel and maintenance, and more capital costs to take it out of use at the end of its working lifetime. This table here compares the capital and overall costs of each resource with the associated costs of gas. In practice, capital costs are estimated in terms of cost per kilowatt of power, but the running costs are estimated in terms of cost per kilowatt hour of energy. These numbers listed in this table depend on a study in 2012. Using the table, which power station has the lowest and greatest capital costs? Yes, the capital costs are lowest for gas-fired power stations, which is between 1 and 2, and the greatest capital costs are for wind power and nuclear power stations that vary between 6 and 5. For the wind and the uranium represents the nuclear power station. And check which power station has the lowest and the greatest overall costs. Using the table, the overall costs, including fuel costs, are the lowest for hydroelectricity, which is about 0.7, and it's greatest for offshore wind farms of an overall cost of 2.2. The costs of new energy facilities are usually passed on to consumers throughout increased fuel bills. Energy-saving schemes, such as low-energy light bulbs in your home, would reduce the need for more power stations. Schemes such as improved home insulation reduce the demand for non-renewable energy resources, such as the gas. Homeowners pay upfront and eventually get their money back through reduced fuel bills. That's all. Thanks for watching.